my son up, and this is gonna be so funny. I just sprayed fart spray in my car, so when I pick him up, I'm gonna let him know that my stomach is hurting so bad, and we've got to hurry and get home just to see what his reaction is. So just watch. And this stuff stinks, y'all. It stinks like high heaven stinks. Like, it's hard for me to be in this car right now. And anybody that knows me, I like a fresh car. So, but I have something for it to cover it up. Like, I'm literally about to pull up at his job. Oh my God, it stinks, y'all. Oh, and I'm trying to keep the window up. I'm trying to keep the window up. I had to light my cigarette. Ooh, because it stinks so bad. No, if y'all could smell this right now. No. This will be something I'm not going to do again. No. Oh my God, what am I seeing? Oh my God. He is going to kill me. My son is just getting off work. And the last thing he wants to do is smell fart spray in the car. Like, ooh, he already has a weak stomach. So, just pray for me that he don't curse me out. I just want to get his reaction because I think it'd be funny. I was going to spray it like on me and then give him a hug, but I said no, I don't want my clothes smelling like that because this stuff is literally very bad. Like, it's called liquid ass, and it stinks so bad. Like, it stinks. And then I sprayed it in the seat. Ooh, I hope it comes off. Ew. Oh my God. Oh Lord, what time is it? Oh my God, he's about to get off. It's 9 o'clock. I'm about to pull up at his job, y'all. Ooh, no. Oh my God, it stinks so bad in here. Oh, I hate I did this now. Oh my God. Oh God, I'm pulling up at his job. Ooh. Okay, let me turn the lights off. Let me unlock the door. Okay. So this is what I sprayed. See? Liquid ass. And it stinks so bad. Look, his job's right there. Oh my God, pray for me. I just want to get his reaction. There he comes. There he comes. Watch. Hey, baby.
Oh, I'm tired.
Look.
I'm tired.
Okay.
All I'm getting is a monster and something snacker.
Okay.
Oh, stinking.
My stomach hurts, I'm sorry.
Oh, my, I know you didn't face spark free.
My stomach hurts.
Oh, that stinks, boy.
I got the boo-boo,
It
man.
smelled like you did boo-boo. Good Lord, you not make it to the toilet?
Ooh, Brandon, it hurts.
Well, that's nasty.
It hurts.
I can tell. That place stinks. Good Lord.
What does it smell like?
Window, why you got the windows down? It's stinking there.
It's cold.
Mama, it ain't cold. You stink. Somebody, you need a boo-boo. You already boo-booed.
I did. I got to make it home.
Mama, you done let it out, man.
Brandon.
That's horrible.
Brandon.
That's nasty. I don't even know how you sitting in here.
It was hard.
I don't know how you sitting in here.
Ooh. Ooh.
I don't know how you sitting in here with that raunchy smell, man.
It didn't smell it after you got in here.
Well, that stinks.
Ooh.
I just thought you done farted.
I got you recorded, Brandon.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad.
That's called liquid hands. I hope it airs out my car. Oh my
you got
God.
the windows down, it ain't going
Oh
nowhere.
shit. Hold on, let me roll
the
down.
windows down. You stink.
Then I sprayed it in the seat. So now you gonna smell like it.
Mama, watch it. Mama, you stink.
Mm-hmm.